Thank you very much. Meet Tushar. Tushar is an owner and operator of a small business somewhere in the emerging markets. Tushar is building a business for himself and his family. And like any business, he is looking at profit and growth. Now, as always in business, he also needs banking services and financial products. So Tushar is then going to the traditional commercial bank and asks for a loan, for a POS machine, for a bank account. And the banker says, of course, we have these products. You just need to fill out these applications. We need to see audited financials, and etc. And in the end of the day, the banker says no. This is not only a problem for Tushar. This is a problem that is epidemic. And in fact, there's 260 million Tushars in the emerging markets. These are underbanked and under-serviced target audience. Global epidemic, big problem, and therefore a big opportunity. So, introducing nexxo. We are the guys who says yes. We are producing products and services, banking financial products and services based upon blockchain in order to reduce cost, increase efficiency. Our product is money in, money out. Money in is POS machines, e-commerce, e-billing. Money out, payroll products, cards with actual bank accounts, IBANs, in order to bank the underbanked. Everyone loves what we do. The central banks loves us because we help them take cash out of the system. Our local banking partners love us because we bring deposits. Visa, MasterCard loves us because we make transactions. And of course, the small business community loves us because we give them banking services where they don't have it. We operate in 4 different markets. We have real offices, real people. We have been in the news for the past 3-4 years. We have today 16,000 merchants, small customers, live. We have issued over 300,000 cards in the market. We have real revenue, we have real profits that is audited by Deloitte. The secret sauce to our hockey stick growth and aggressive growth is our network of enablers. These are our distribution channels. This is how we sell. They sell our products and services. We recruit, train, and motivate them, and we pay them commission. You can say that we have found a way of franchising commercial banking for SME sectors, small business owners. So, we motivate them with the point structure, we pay them commission, and this onto a card. Now we're launching the nexxo coin, so our enablers will be paid through this coin. This is how it works. We get revenue from our customers. Part of this revenue is going into commission to our enablers. We have a way, we have cash coming in, we will buy our own token and give that to the enablers. That means we have a built-in buyback program for our own token in order to drive demand. And the enabler, the distributor, the partner, will see on his app how much commission he earns, how much commission he has. He can keep the token or he can cash it out on a card. So, we are operating in 2 small markets today. We are adding Pakistan as we speak. It's a significantly larger market. We're adding India as next year. This means that we have, in the near future, 100 times accessible market as we have today. And there's more. What this means is we need to go out and recruit more enablers. More enablers means more customers, more consumers, and therefore a higher demand on our token. We don't need speculators because we have a built-in system of buying back our own token and giving it in commission to the enablers. So, our nexxo token is an ERC20. We're launching January 1st. We're trading from day 1 So we have a unique ICO with a buyback program, real business, real profits, real customers, real everything, and a business model that's now ripe for aggressive growth.
Thank you so much.
Don't miss the boat.
Question.
How much are your revenues at the moment?
Say again.
How much are your revenues, the total revenues at the moment?
We did 8.5 million last year. We're aiming for 12 million this year, US dollars.
When you
Right
say
now.
revenue in the sense, this is the loans that you're giving on the platform or the
No, no,
fees
no,
from
no.
the loans?
No. This is not loans. This is revenue from the products and services we're selling. We have a subscription-based model. We have transaction-based model. So we earn on every transaction. That's how it works.
What is the total transaction volume?
Say again?
You give out 320,000 cards. What is
300,000 cards, yes, correct.
what is the total transaction volume on all those cards?
A lot. Because we have a payroll program, so we are transferring hundreds of millions of dollars every month because we transfer salaries from the employee to the employer to the employee. But that's not our money, that's not our revenue. We earn a fraction of that.
And all these markets that you said, you know, India,
Yes.
Pakistan and all, they're not going to let you trade coins at this point, right?
Correct. So therefore, we have a point system, all right? A point system that we are working with the enablers, the distribution channel with. But the underlying coin is then connected with that point system. It's a bit complicated, but I can show it to you later. But it works.
How
Next.
about your team, though? You didn't specify anything about your team. Do you have the team? How big is your team?
We have over 100 employees as we speak. We have about 50 people in India on our tech center. And then the team is myself is the CEO. We have the CEO. He is the tech guru in the company. We have a complete management
Thank you.
team.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you.